TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. Welcome back to another daily work from home job lead. This one is going to be data entry. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Stefanini Group. They have 6,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.8 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a data entry clerk. Now, this is remote for the United States only. It does say this is a full-time, long-term project or position, and they have two separate positions open, so they are hiring two different people. Now, their job description seems to be lacking in a lot of areas. That's why I did make sure I looked up the reviews on this company. They don't really describe much about the job and what you'll be doing other than accurately entering information into a computer, accessing information from a computer, and verifying the information is correct on the screen. So it sounds like it is a basic data entry, looking at a source document and entering that information into a computer system. You do have to have experience with Microsoft Office, especially Word and Excel. You have to be able to follow instructions and have a minimum typing speed of 50 to 60 words per minute. Now, it does say they are looking for somebody who's a minimum completed 2 years in college or has some kind of a finished diploma or degree. Now, if you have a bachelor degree in a vocation or IT related courses, that is plus or bonus points, but not required, just the minimum 2 years. They want somebody who has great organizational skills, great time management skills, and someone who is willing to work different shifts. Now, of course, I did do a little bit of research to find an estimated salary for them because, again, their job description was a little bit lacking and did not include salary. This is just an estimate. Actual salary will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but a data entry clerk for Stefanini Group makes anywhere from $37,000 to $39,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. I do read those and keep that in mind. Or if you have any feedback for me on how I could make these job leads more helpful for you, please leave that down below as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.